What kind of holiday stays with you for a lifetime? Let me show you one yacht that might just redefine your idea of summer. This is Go, a 35-meter motor yacht with one of the most talked about beach clubs in Turkey and Greece. She hosts up to 10 guests, perfect for families or a group of friends. There are 5 beautifully designed cabins, a master suite with its own study and walk-in wardrobe, 2 VIP doubles, and 2 twins. The interiors are fresh, modern, and surprisingly spacious. Everything feels calm, bright, and beautifully put together. But Go's magic is by the water. A beach club with a hydraulic swim platform and an inflatable sea pool. It's your own private seaside lounge. And when you're ready for fun, jet ski, e-foil, seabob, paddle boards, wakeboard, water skis, it's a water toy paradise. Up top, the sundeck invites you to stretch out under the electric bimini or slip into the jacuzzi. The 6-person crew is warm, discreet, and always one step ahead. And the onboard chef? Let's just say, people come back for the food. Go is based in Bodrum, giving you the best of both worlds, the Turkish Riviera and the nearby Greek islands. Quiet bays, lively ports, you choose. Ready to learn more? Follow the link in the description. We're here to help bring your dream to life.